Hey guys, Jaden here from Viper Off-Road. Run across a little issue on the Venom 125cc mini Jeep. I don't know what the actual brand of this is. It's the one Venom Motorsports sells up here in Canada. The exhaust is broken. Right there. Really badly. It's not going to show well, but you can see light through the end of the exhaust. That shouldn't be capable. There's a hole here where the supposed support piece goes. Anyway, and the tab that holds it on the frame down there, this tab broke off right there.